how to standardize all the variables present in your dataset, right? So quickly let me set up my working directory and import the dataset. So this dataset consists of data at a store, category and date level, as you can see here. And it consists of three metrics. One is sales, one is number of transactions, and the third one is ASP. ASP stands for average selling price, right? So now since the level of data of these three metrics are at different scale, by scale I mean at different levels. For example, sales data are in say thousands and lakhs, number of transactions are in thousands, whereas ASP are in ones and tens places, right? So when you do regression analysis, so you need to standardize the data. So in order to standardize the data, we are creating a function, right? So the name of the function is standardize, and in order to create a function there is a again keyword called function, and then you have to write a function. So the formula to standardize a particular variable is that variable, so say sales at row 1 minus mean of entire sales column, this is the numerator part, divided by standard deviation of that sales column, right? So in order to standardize that variable, we are creating this function. Once I execute, this function is right now created, right? Now the objective is to apply this particular function on each column where the variable is numeric in nature. Say for example, for all the three metrics, sales, number of transaction, ASP. So column number 4, 5, 6, right? In order to apply this function on all the columns of this particular data set, I am using the apply function, right? First argument is your data frame, right, which is data. Second is whether you want to apply this function on rows or column. So I want to apply this function on each row, right, in order to standardize this variable. And the third argument is name of the function, right, which you want to apply on the entire data set. Now at the last, what I am doing, I am creating this particular function or the result of this particular function in a data frame, right? And name of that data frame is std underscore data. So we generally do standardization when your data is normal, and these are basically used when you do linear logistic regressions and so on. Let me just quickly execute this, show you the output. This is how your final output will look like. It will consist of sales data, number transaction, ASP. Now if you want to run a linear regression, you can use the LM function. So dependent variable will be sales, and you want to check the impact of number of transaction and ASP on sales. So you can directly use this dataset to run a linear regression. I hope you like this video.